I'll start by taking the wheels off and turn the light on it. You can see it's just 115 by the looks of it, and it just like hinges in place. You can see that one's like rotted out. Trying to eliminate some of that body roll here. Yeah, just take the wheels off, make sure your car's jacked up. I'm using a lift because it's convenient to me. I'm gonna use a 15 mil socket and a small extension. I tried using a wrench, but that shit wasn't gonna work. And you just go to town, man. Go to town. Yeah, if I tried to use a wrench, I would have had to like go under the steering rack and all that nonsense. But luckily, I could just do this. All right, I got the bracket loose. It took a little persuasion. I had to use a screwdriver and a mallet, and essentially I just jammed it in right here and hit the hammer right on the back of the screwdriver. So you can see now, here it is. It's loose. I just gotta find a way to shimmy the sway bar over here, or at least just the bushing, because I could like grab it, but I can't like pop it off. So I'm probably gonna remove this real quick and see what comes out of it. All right, guys, I got the old one off. Check it out. It went on like this with the open mouth going that way. I had to loosen this bolt up here, which was 19. Yeah, there it is right there. I thought I snapped it clean off. Truthfully, I thought it was a bolt, not a nut. But yeah, the sway bar inlink, these got to get replaced soon. I'll have a video on that as well. It doesn't look that hard. Right now, I originally thought it was the sway bar bushing that needed to be replaced. You can see the notch right there where the other half of the what holds the sway bar in place. You can see the bolt right there, that bolt hole, and the notch right there. Yeah, so scoop, bolt down. All right, we're gonna go ahead and compare parts. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Similar diameters. Ramco. This might be factory. Yeah, it's gotta be factory. Car has 120,000 miles. This shit's caked up, man. Yeah. This one's way more firmer. This is like a saw. I actively squeeze this shit with my fucking hand. This one right here, see? Solid. Alright, let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on. So what I did is I came from this side, reached my hand through here, and slid it back into the notch. I slid it back in the notch. Only problem is kind of bent, so hopefully I can just slide the bolt in place like so. Yeah, oh yeah, I can. Slide it in place, get it started by hand, and I'm sure I get a better angle underneath. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, I could definitely feel it in the notch. Yeah, it shouldn't be able to feel it come out from here because there's like a notch right here where my finger's at, specifically for the sway bar bushing. Mount. Alright. Go ahead and turn everything back down. And work on the other side. Alright guys. Got everything bolted back on. No issues. I did pop it off the socket, so I had to use a C-clamp right there to pop it back in. But they'll be getting replaced soon. And, yeah, tighten it down as much as I could by hand. And now we can work on the other side now. Way more sturdier than before. Opposite side, same process as before. Just gonna take the tires off, and it should be relatively in the same area over there. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and skip all the way towards the end. Alright guys, got the passenger side off. And I found it way easier to just remove that and smack that fucking sway bar up, and the bracket just pops right off. And here's the passenger side. Get the shit to focus. Yeah, there we go. Caked up, cracked at the bottom, you can see. No bueno. I don't think these are specific to their side. They look the same. So, this other one out. Yeah, way better looking. Yeah, that side was a breeze, just popping off the top sway bar end link and get into it way easier. See, I already got it tightened down and everything. I will have torque specs in the description below. I'm gonna have to refer to my manual real quick, but that's pretty much it. All you gotta do is put the tire back on and we should be G to G. No more fucking sofa like body roll. Feels like I'm in a boat, literally. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out in the future as well.